Okay, so next we're going to combine the almond ground, also known as almond meal, and the icing sugar. So I've already started combining that a bit before we start sifting the two ingredients together. Right, so I've put in the first spoon. As you can see, it's sort of sifting downwards. You just have to push it through the sift so we can get rid of those big clumps and they don't go into our mixture.
Cracked open, we're going to toss it in between to get the egg whites.
I'm going to pour in our egg whites.
Alright, so before we start mixing, we're going to add a pinch of salt. And we're going to add 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar.
Alright, so we've begun mixing. There's a lot of bubbles forming. We're going to gradually add our actual sugar. To add some Wilton green food coloring into the mixture using this toothpick.
So I just added my meringue into the ingredients that I sifted. So now I'm going to try and combine the two together using a circular motion around and pulling it through. Alright, so now that it's starting to ribbon when I lift it up, we're almost right. So we put our tip in, our round tip, and it is ready to be filled up with the mixture.
Alright, so now I'm just waiting for my macarons to get a little dry on top so I can cook them. Okay, so once the macarons are a little tacky on top, we already have our oven preheated to 350. So we're gonna put that in for 15 minutes. Okay, so this was my first attempt ever making macarons, well, French macarons, and they sort of burnt, completely stuck to the wax paper. So I was trying to cool off a couple of these. I peeled them off and then I took a bite into this one and realized that it's completely burnt, but that's okay, right? So it's just trial and error. That's the first try, and we'll see. Got to keep a better eye out on the next batch that's in there, right? So I lowered the temperature by 50 Fahrenheit. So I had it at 350 originally. I lowered it down to 300, and they're looking much better.